Hi everyone, this is UD. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to manually edit your videos. Also, I'll show you how to put in transitions so your videos can run smoothly. This tutorial will be useful for a compilation of pictures, videos, or a combination of both. Again, the process is the same, whether you're using a desktop version or your mobile phone. All you need to do is locate your tools on each platform. So let's get right to it and import our raw clips to the timeline. If this is new to you, you can check out my trim, split and cut video tutorial on how to import your raw files on your mobile phone or your desktop version onto your timeline. So I've imported 4 pictures, and as you can see, it's a basic compilation. The standard duration of each imported picture is 5 seconds. And if you want to extend it to be longer than 5 seconds, you can use that trim method that I showed you and extend the border like I'm just doing now to as long as you want each picture to be. Otherwise, you move it inwards to shorten the duration. At this point, I would like to point out that you cannot extend a video in the same manner beyond its original length. The highest you can do to make it longer than its original length is to adjust its speed, and that will be covered in a subsequent video tutorial. Now let's go ahead to add some transitions. To do that, you click in between the pictures like I just did. Click at the top where you see transitions, and you'll see a list of different categories of transition options you can use for your compilation. So on your mobile phone, it's almost the same thing. You click in between the pictures where you see that mark there, and it brings out a list of the different categories of transitions with the different options that you can use. The same thing as the desktop version. You see that? So there's really no big difference. So now I'm going to click on one transition that I want to use for that picture, and let's see what it looks like. That's nice, right? So let's move on to how you can add animations instead of transitions. To use animations, you click on the exact clip and you click on animation next. The same thing like transitions, it gives you different options of animations for in, out, and combo. So in now is how you want the picture to come in, which you can as well adjust the time where I'm adjusting it now to tell how many seconds you want it to take to come in. You see, that was slower, I made it faster and all of that. When you go to out, that shows you how you want the picture to leave the frame, and there are different options like I'm showing you right now. I'm going to pick one at this very moment for how I want the picture to leave, and there you go. This is what it looks like. So let's try the combo on the next clip. So I'll click on the next clip now, and the combo is going to give us a combination of bringing in the picture and taking it out. This is basically the same thing on the mobile version. Click on the clip, and beneath it you click on the animation. It brings out the same options, which are the in, the out, and the combo animations. So this is the combo animation I picked. Nice. So you can as well adjust how long you want it to take to come in and leave the frame. So now we'll right click on one of the clips to replace it with a video. In the mobile app, the replacement tool and all other tools are beneath the video like I'm showing you now. So we have to adjust the video we have picked to fit with the duration of the picture we replaced it with, and adjust it to fit the frame. You can extend the boundaries to get your desired duration. Next, we click on audio to pick our music. So you can either pick from the list of music that CapCut has listed out for you. I believe most of them are copyright safe. Or you go to your files on your phone to extract your music from there like I just did on my laptop. Now I'm going to pick a music. I'm not going to play it because I don't want any copyright issues. So while I replace this song with one of the copyright safe songs on CapCut, let's see what this looks like on your mobile app. Click the audio icon beneath the clips. Go through the different copyright save options, but if you want to pick from your file, you can click the extract button there. Exactly. Click on the files, click on your device, and you'll see all the songs on your device that you can pick from. That's basically it. There's nothing really different. So I just previewed the song I want to use before I added it to my timeline. You already know how to do that. So now you can start this song from wherever. And this is an example. You split it, delete the part you do not want, drag the other part to the beginning, and it starts from there. So let's hear what that sounds like. but that's not what I actually want to do. I want to start it from the beginning. So I'm going to click my undo button twice to undo the split, cut, and drag actions. If you notice, when we listened to the song we had added, it stopped abruptly. So after replacing it with the copyright safe sound, the next thing I want to do now is fade out the ending of the song. So you click on the song and then go to the bar that says fade out. Pick the number of seconds you want it to fade out for and listen to it. Now I also want to fade out my last clip, but remember we had picked a combo animation, and with combo animation fade out doesn't really happen. So I'm going to delete the combo animation by clicking on none. That is it, exactly. Then I'll go back to pick a different option of in animation and then a fade out for out animation. Next you export and you're done. Let's see our results, shall we? This ends our tutorial for today. Please like, share, comment, and hit the notification button. Don't forget to mention in the comment section exactly what you want us to touch on next. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye!